Marvel Legends, Black Panther Wakanda Forever, Marvel Legends, Hot Zenzi. Here he is in the packaging again right here. Pretty sick. And build a figure of Tuma. This is Marvel, Black Panther. All the figures you need to build a Tuma. This figure right here. Just have one more figure to get is the normal Black Panther. Yeah, looking pretty sick in the packaging. Again, right here has accessories right here. Build a figure to build a Tuma right there. Pretty sick on the side right here. And there he is right there. Back of the packaging right here. Again right here, looking pretty sick again right here. Pretty sick right there. Again right here, looking pretty sick right here. And then there's the Black Panther logo right there. Marvel Legends, the Build-A-Figure Tuma side right there. There he is right there. Yeah, let's get this thing out of the packaging and take a look and see what it's all about. Let's get this thing out of the packaging and take a look. And we'll do some quick size comparisons. And we have another figure to build a Tuma right here. Here he is right there's the other leg here. This is this guy's standing, and right here. He is right there, and then his size comparison. Here he is next to Ironheart and Black Panther Wakanda Forever. Here's how they look together, looking pretty sick again right here. Yeah, let's zoom in quickly on this figure. On the nice sculpted detail on this figure. Looking pretty sick on this figure. It's just white and some like this silver right here. This figure looks pretty sick right here. All the nice sculpted detail. Again right here, look at that head sculpt looking freaking sick right there. And all his accessories, another gun, and then some extra hands. And right here. But yeah, look at all the nice detail on this figure, all the nice sculpt. Again right here. This figure looks fantastic. All that nice sculpted detail again right here. He's looking pretty sick on this figure. Again right here. So all the nice detail right here. He comes with his weapons. You can have him hold his weapons if you want, if you like. You have to take these fisted hands out and then put his weapon holding hands. And here's his other gun, again right here. figure right here. This looks pretty sick again right here with his weapons again right here. Looks pretty sick again right here. This figure looks awesome again right here. And he's all armed up with his weapons again right here. This figure looks great. I'm glad to have this figure in the collection now. I only have one more figure in the collection to get to build the Tuma. Then we have all the figures in the Black Panther Wakanda Forever wave. But yeah, I'm just waiting. I already ordered it, but it's on the way. It should be coming sometime at the end of September. But yeah, this figure is awesome. Again, right here. I'm pretty sick on all the nice detail of this figure. Just all the nice sculpt again right here. So I'm pretty sick on this figure again right here. This figure is awesome though. If you want, you can have one with the weapon and then one with this like the claw hand. This looks pretty sick again right here. You can bend his knees if you want. Just have him posed out like this if you want. This looks not bad at all. This figure is awesome though. Get all the nice detail of this figure again right here. It's looking pretty sick again right here. This figure looks great again right here. It's good to have this figure in the collection. All the nice detail again right here. But yeah, this figure is awesome. Just don't forget to please subscribe, like this video, and just have a great night. And yeah, this figure is definitely worth it. Got this figure on sale, but yeah, this figure is definitely having in your collection. Just don't forget to please subscribe, like this video, and yeah, this figure is awesome. And just don't forget to please subscribe, like this video, and yeah, just have a great day, and yeah, great night. And please subscribe, like this video, and yeah, have a great night, and please like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoyed this video on this figure. But yeah, please subscribe, like this video, and have a great night, and thank you guys so much for watching, and comment next for more, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, like this video, and yeah, have a great night, and please like this video, and comment next for more, and have a great night, and please like this video, and see you guys, bye.